In this video, I'm going to explain to you exactly how to cancel your order on the KFC app. So as you can see, once an order has been placed, you receive a KFC order number and we start preparing and cooking your food. Therefore, your order cannot be canceled. So actually, you're not able to just click on one button and just cancel it after you have ordered something on the KFC app. But what you can do instead, if you're really quick and you have actually you regret the order and you're really quick to act, then what you're going to do is to find the phone number of that specific KFC location. So you're going to go into your KFC app and see exactly what kind of restaurant that you have ordered from or what kind of address. Then you can just Google on it, or if you can see directly on the KFC app, because sometimes you can see the contact information to that specific store. So just call them, and then if somebody answers, just say to them that you want to be able to cancel that order. So don't cook that order. I regret it. And then if you're fast enough, then hopefully they will be able to cancel it for you, and you should be able to actually get your money back that way. But if you have still not gotten your money back, you can always contact the KFC support and then say to them that you called the restaurant and basically cancel the order. So that is the only way that you can actually cancel your order on the KFC app.